Welcome to clickmyproject.com. The project title is ubiSOAP, a service-oriented middleware for ubiquitous networking. Now going to explain the abstract. Nowadays, the growth of mobile and wireless computing requires advanced presentation and services. The proposed system has the implementation and experimentation of UDI service-oriented distributed applications. It has an ability to efficiently enable the pervasive networking of services. Now going to explain the data flow diagram. First, consider the users. Users have to register and create account. Then only they can log in into the further process. After login, they have to check the account details. Next, the main process considered here is transaction. The whole process is controlled by the middleware. If any error occurs like BFT error, the middleware asks the user to further continue the process or not. If user gives the permission, then the middleware continues the process. Finally, the transaction will be successfully completed. Now going to show the demo of the process. This is the home page of our project. First, the process starts with register or login page. If the user already have the account, means they can directly log in into the further process. Now user is login successfully. Here we are showing three main processes. First, we are going to show the deposit process. Here just the user have to give the amount and click the selected account. The amount is deposited successfully. The deposit amount is shown here. Next, we are going to show the withdraw process. Here we have to type the amount we want to withdraw. Now submit the amount. The amount is withdrawn successfully. Then going to show the main process. It's nothing but the transaction. Before transaction, to provide the authorization, here we are giving the again a login form. If the user login correctly, means the further process will be continue, otherwise won't. Now the transaction process successfully started. Here we have to give the user account ID. Here we are entering the amount and have to select the user account. Now clicking the requesting button to the coordinator. Now we have to run the middleware form. Here we have to get the details from the user. Now it's waiting for the authentication. Now the middleware have to provide the authentication. Now the receiver will grant the permission. Permission is granted and successfully transferred. Now the middleware have to update the detail to the final server. So you have to send and here receive and check the current status. Here the BFT error is occurred, so the status is shown as failed. Now have to roll back the further process. Now the process is rolled back. Here we can view the list of process which is not completed in the pending list. If the user is like to continue, and press the continue button. Now have to give the account ID to whom we want to transfer. And have to select the bank details. Now the transaction detail is going to transfer and have to receive. Now transfer successfully and have to check the status. The status is success, hence here is received. For further communication, the coordinator send the message to the receiver. The message is typed here. By clicking encryption button, the encrypted content is shown here. Now we are passing this information to the receiver. By clicking get button, here the receiver get the encrypted message. Now he is seeing the message by the decrypted button.